Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I will tell you how we can easily calculate the number of grams of any solute. Like in this example, you can see I have mentioned how many grams of sodium chloride are required to make following solutions. So let's suppose we have to make three treatments like 0.5 molar solution and 0.5 millimolar and 0.5 micromolar. So while the formula weight of sodium chloride is 58.44 gram per mole. So you can see, although we can apply unitary method to calculate these calculation, but sometimes students face difficulty to calculate these treatments. So you can do all this calculation using a simple web-based tool. So let me show you how we can access to that tool. So first of all, you simply need to go to Google and you need to write Graphpad molarity calculator. So you can simply click on this one. So here is the first link and you can open this in a new tab. So you can see here is a molarity calculator and it has 4 modules. So because now we want to calculate the mass from volume and concentration. So we know that we want, first of all, we want to according to our question, we want to calculate 0.5 molar solution. So we can simply write here 0.5 millimolar. You can see here we can change all these units and we can change to molar. So and we know that the formula weight for sodium chloride is, here you can see the 58.44. So here is 58.44. And here we need to mention that how much quantity and how much volume is needed for our experiment. So let's suppose we need 1 liter, it means 1000 ml. So you can make your volume according to your own need. So you can simply click on this and so it will show you the number of grams. So you can see 29.22 grams are required for 0.5 molar solution. So now we can go back and solve the next one. You can see here the next one is 0.5 millimolar. So simply you just need to change from molar to millimolar and you will just click here. So you can see to make 0.5 millimolar you will be just need of only 29. And similarly you can also calculate for micromolar. So you can see for micromolar we need this quantity. So you can also use this molarity calculator to change your volume from mass and concentration and to make molarity from mass and volume. You can also use this website to dilute your stock solution. So hopefully this website will create ease for those who face difficulty in doing molarity calculations. So if you have still any question about your experiment or calculating the molarity, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.